Assalamu alaikum friends, this is my first voice over video, so let's start. I'm going to make today Mysore style methi aloo keema recipe. चलिए शुरू करते हैं. Now I'm going to start. I'm using olive oil here. You can use any oil you want, like refined oil or mustard oil. That's also okay. और ऑयल डालने के बाद ऑयल को थोड़ी देर गर्म होने देते हैं. उसके बाद आई एम गोइंग टू ऐड onions into the oil and I'm going to let these onions fry for 2 minutes. Now I'm going to add ginger garlic paste. As I told you, it's in liquid form, so I'm using 5 spoons. Otherwise you can use 2 spoons only. That's enough. And now I'm going to add the mutton keema into this mixture, and we need to fry this keema with onions and ginger garlic paste at least for 2 minutes. After that, I'm going to add the basic spices, and we need to saute these spices very well until the oil comes out. After the oil got separated, now I am adding methi leaves. Now it's time to add some potatoes. And we need to saute well all this mixture with potatoes. And now I'm going to add other vegetables like French beans, carrots and green peas. Now I'm adding coconut and tomato puree. This is the second last step of this recipe. Now I'm going to add a very little amount of water, as I want the gravy to be thick. So I'm adding very little amount of water. Now this is the last step of our recipe. I'm adding some pink salt. I'm adding the salt according to my taste. Now the cooking is complete, and I'm going to taste all the spices and salt. Now the cooking is completed. I'm going to close the lid and I will wait for 2 minutes for 2 whistles to come. Then the recipe will be ready to serve. And now the Mysore style aloo methi keema is ready to eat and enjoy. Hope you all try this recipe at your home. Allah Hafiz.